This is exactly the look I was going for with this old wood. Now we'll blow off the dust a bit. I'll move inside to cut the wood to length. I'm going to cut 3 pieces of wood to create the size that we want for the pot rack. My rigid miter saw isn't big enough to cut all the way through this wood, and it isn't a sliding saw, so I have to flip the board over to complete the cut. Once I get the first board cut, I just need to lay it on top of the other boards to make sure all the lengths match. Here's the 3 boards cut to length. I played with how I wanted to position them for a while and came up with this as my favorite option. I just love all the gouges in the boards. This is exactly the look I was going for with this old wood.